Losing 80 bucks trading Meta. What's going on, guys? Welcome on in to today's trade recap. This trade recap is on a trade that if you were watching the live stream or you watched the live stream from Thursday, the 27th of June, you would have seen. So we're going to get into the chart because it was kind of exactly what I wanted to see. And it just didn't work. Simple as that. At the time, Meta was one of, or I think it was the strongest stock on the day on my list. Of course, there are other stocks that were up more, but Meta was the strongest out of the large cap list that I follow, with large cap tech. You know, ones that have the best volatility pretty much on a day-to-day basis. And so I'm like, okay, well, if Meta gives me a setup, I'll take it. At the same time, Meta also met the criteria on the bigger time frames. Meta was breaking out. If you jump out to the 4-hour time frame, Meta was not only breaking out on the 5-minute, Meta had broken out on the 4-hour, and it was breaking over a new high right here. So not all-time highs, but very, very close. I like the looks of it, and I think Meta was a very valid candidate for a trade. So I traded it as I normally would do, and it just didn't work. If you watch the live stream, you would have seen it initially pushed up a little bit, not even like it went halfway. Nope, a little tiny push, and then probably could have noticed that and cut it out earlier. But at the same time, I risked 80 bucks. You know what I mean? When I win well over 100. Well over 100 on winners, unless there's a crazy situation. But if I'm risking 80 to make 120, 140, 150, I'm going to do that all the time. And, you know, you're going to lose on some. And when you win on some, it's going to be nice. When you lose on some, it is what it is. And right now, we're just in the midst of a fucking pounding. It's all I can say. A just getting put down every single fucking day, it seems like. But that's just that's the nature of trading, baby. If you don't want it, if you don't like getting pounded from time to time, I don't know if this is for you. I don't know, because I can't control when this is gonna go down. Is it a false breakout? Yeah. Oh, you're a dumbass. Should have traded the false breakout. Guess what? You could trade that way, and you're also gonna get fucked a ton of times when the market is under high momentum and we break out and just fucking go. You know what I mean? So it's not about, oh, you're wrong for how you trade and this. I will make adjustments. Don't get me wrong. If I got to make adjustments, I'll make them. But these exact same trades were working weeks and even, you know, a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, a month ago, they're working great. You know, so I'm going to take them when I see them, and that's what I'm going to keep doing. And I have got over 15 months of data backed on this stuff. So that's the recap on Meta. I'll leave a link to TradeZilla below. Stay tuned for the month recap. I should post it either July 1st or 2nd, somewhere in there. That will be, or maybe even the 3rd, I don't know. That will be the recap for the entirety of June, which is going to have a lot of good takeaways. You will not be disappointed in that video. It'll be long, but it will be really good. And I'll be deep diving through a lot of my trading data, and it will be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that. That's a recap. Peace.